you allow sharks?
We're animal friendly. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Give me that.
I love sharks. As long as he doesn't bite, he's fine.
Hi, do you have a lot of questions?
Yep, well.
It's Shark Week.
Oh, Jesus.
We got shark knives.
That's right, folks. You heard it right. It is Shark Week. And we know that we've got a lot of shark fans out there. So we're bringing you our Shark Week sale. There's a lot of different levels to this. So we're going to give you a basic overview of it here right now. The primary sale is going to be free shipping on orders $30 or more. Now, of course, that's going to be, no ammo or flammables, and not to Alaska, Hawaii, and U.S. territories. But and this offer ends on 7/31, so July 31st, this offer is going to be gone. But free shipping on orders $30 or more. We've got a ton of shark-related actual products, including but not limited to our brand new SMKW exclusive Shark Victorinox, which is perfect for any shark fan out there. These things are really cool. Got the SMKW logo on the front, on the back right there. On the show side right there, got the shark jumping out of the water. And, of course, the Victorinox logo. We've got that in the Tinker and the Classic SD. So those are our SMKW exclusives. We've also got some other stuff that we're going to be featuring during this sale, including the Demco Shark Locks. Now, this one, 80 20.5. This one's the Warncliffe blade with the black coated blade. We've also got the clip point blade in the non-coated version, both in the orange handles. And really, really dig those things. Those are so much fun, so fidgety. But we've got a ton of shark-related stuff. We're also going to have some stuff on sale itself. So check out the sale. We're going to have the links in the description below. But we've got knives like the Artisan Shark right here with their proprietary ARRPM 9 blade steel. Now, this is our exclusive with the burgundy micarta handles. We've got this one in this version, the satin finish, as well as the black coated blade. Those are going to be on sale. We've also got the K-Bar Harpoon Becker. Now, this is the one that we put through our Willet Cut test and performed phenomenally. This one's going to be on sale as well. So check those out in the description below. Folks, thank you so much. Talk to us in the comments. Let us know about the content that you want to see. We've got some really cool stuff coming up. As always, we've got some really cool exclusives coming up. So check those out. We've got one dropping actually tomorrow at 11 a.m. Brand new Boker out the front automatic. We think you're going to like it. So check that out. Stay tuned for that. And folks, thank you again so much. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a Shark Week sale, then we carry it.
So,
Are you proud of yourself?
I am.
Really?
Uh-huh.
What the hell are you doing?
Shark Week.
No.
What do you think?
Not what I was expecting.
Not what you were expecting?
What's even funnier with your arms out of it?
A little bit later for me sitting down, but now it comes up. I'm
Serpentine, damn it.
No. Okay.